What's going on, family? It's your Renaissance Hustler, Black Phoenix, checking in with you this morning. I was just up thinking about a couple things, and something dawned on me. Your passion as a kid can actually be your grown up business financial stability. And only reason I'm saying this is because I was thinking about what I actually enjoyed doing growing up as a kid. Like, just playing. And I remember how I used to love to build things. And where I was at, we had a lot of tin, and some wood. And I used to build little tin houses and make little tree houses and work on bikes and, mopeds. And, once I got into the go-karts and, I always wanted to build something, make something. And we wasn't, rich by no means. But I could always get something, what I call trash from someone that was rich that was throwing something away or felt like it had less value, and I could get it for a little bit of nothing, and I could take it to the hood and fix it up, and it could be something big to everybody that know me and everybody that haven't had the chance to get one. So, I used to enjoy doing that. And some people that know me can say, yeah, Joe had the go-kart, Joe had this, just, little bikes, nothing major. But I utilized what I had, and I made the best out of it. And in life, that I've been, now that I'm grown, I realize that's what I'm doing. You know, um, I got a trade, welding, and it was for stability at first. Yeah, I want to learn it. But then later, after getting more involved in it and learning different fields of it, I learned how, and I realized that, man, this is a real big asset. I can do a lot of things with this. I can jump in a lot of different fields, welding, and it's a very strong technology where it's timeless. I can pass this down. I can teach. I can educate. I can actually have a business, and instead of just actually working for someone. But I will say this: I do feel that we all should, punch that clock to learn the business, to learn the technique, to learn the discipline, to learn the structure of things. So, what I want to say to you who have a passion to do something, if it might not be welding, but if you watching my channel, you may want to be a welder. And this is my independent blog. So this is not a business channel, but I do promote my music or my clothing or some stuff that I'm doing, but it's pretty much a personal blog where I'm just sharing my day-to-day life, different jobs I'm on, different encouraging situations, or just a moment where I just have a thought and I just want to share it with my folks out there that might be feeling the same way. But I just wanted to say this morning. Whatever your passion is, don't give up, and don't settle, and don't feel like you have to go by the system rules, because there is loopholes, and they was designed for a reason. The president said it himself. So don't get mad at someone who knows how to use the loopholes. Learn the loopholes. Start you a business. Be independent. Hold on.